Out at the 2021 fireworks. Chad, what's up, bro? Elwood. Toto's in the car. This damn camera sucks balls.
I think I have a better one.
I know. But this is what's going on. We got the party happening.
They used to start about 10.
Yeah. I'm gonna.
And tomorrow is actually the 4th.
Yeah. Oh, you know the parade on Main Street.
Oh, that's tomorrow.
Yep.
What time does it start?
Think 10 o'clock.
It starts at Lima Avenue, goes up towards up Main Street.
Yup.
Goes to downtown.
I ain't gonna be up for that shit. I'm gonna be fucking sleeping.
Well, I'll be there.
I might. Good to see.
University band.
Oh yeah. I like all the bands when they come up there. Yeah. There. Let's see here, guys. This is Findlay, Ohio. The fireworks is gonna be shooting off over there. So this is the parking back here. All the parking. I'm so glad that everyone could come together on the 4th of July, and we don't have to wear masks anymore. It's so nice to be around friends and family and your other peers in life instead of always being cooped up. This is just so much. This is like living life again, you know. Now if we can just get Biden out of the office and the vice president out of office, we need Trump back. We need Trump 2024.
I used to live there a long time.
It's starting to get dark. It's I think 9:30 p.m. right now. So
Springwood. Well, that golf course is right
the band's right here. That's where the band's at. I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can see the band.
That's something I don't know how we can. I don't see anything.
There's the band. Nope, that's not our fireworks. That's other people's fireworks. But this is what we're doing tonight. July 3rd, 2021. Yeah, I would.
What?
Chad Savage.
What's up?
Chainsaw Charlie out. Tell me your YouTube page.
Chad Savage Push Trees logo.
You hear that, guys? Go to his YouTube page. Chainsaw Charlie out. Ciao.